Hi there, my name is Henry Mack and I'm a member of the Data School's 23rd cohort at the Information Lab. In this video I will explain and demonstrate the lookup function. Let's jump into Tableau and get started. This is what the lookup function looks like, where the expression and the offset are the syntaxes within this function. What the lookup function does is it returns the value of a given expression in the target row, specified as a relative offset from the current row. In the offset, you can also combine this with the first and last functions to set the offset relative to the first or the last rows in the table. In order to demonstrate the lookup function, I will be using a superstore dataset that comes with Tableau. I will then create a table which will show you the profit for each year in the dataset and also the year-on-year profit growth. The first thing we'll be doing is dragging order date as a discrete field on a year level. You can do this by right-clicking on order date and dragging this onto rows, and then selecting year of order date. The next thing we'll do is drag profit onto the table. And afterwards we'll be creating a previous year profit field. And you can do this by clicking on the caret at the top left of Tableau next to the search bar and clicking on Create Calculated Field. For this calculated field, we'll be using the lookup function. And within the lookup function, we'll be typing in sum of profit, and for the offset, we'll be typing in -1. We'll now drag this onto the table, and we'll reorder the measure values such that the previous year profit appears in the third column. What the lookup function has done in 2019, for example, is that it has returned the value of profit for the previous year in 2018. Next, we'll create a year-on-year profit growth calculated field. And in this calculation, we'll be writing open bracket, sum of profit, minus the previous year profit, which you can do by dragging in the field here, close bracket, divide, and then dragging previous year profit again into the calculated field. Next, we'll drag this calculated field that we just created, the year-on-year profit growth, onto our table. You will notice that this is displayed as 0, but this is because the number format has not been set to percentage. So you can change this by right-clicking on year-on-year profit growth, going to Default Properties and Number Format. You can then change this percentage and change the decimal place. I have set the decimal places to 1. And now this is giving you the year-on-year profit growth for each year relative to the previous year. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now feel more confident in using the lookup function. Please check the description of this video for links to additional materials that you might find useful. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like, and subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on new content. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I think you'd like the video explaining the differences between table calculations and level of detail calculations. Click on the thumbnail on the bottom right to watch it next.